Maxphine, the place where we make learning super fun.
Welcome, young learners. Today, we're going on an exciting adventure with sight words. Sight words are super important words that help us read really well. Let's learn 10 new sight words together with some fun games. Our first word is the. Can you say the? Great! Now, let's find the in a sentence. The dog ran fast. Next up is and. Say and with me. We use and to connect things like cats and dogs. Our third word is ah. It's a small word but very mighty, like in a big apple. Can you spot ah? Now, let's learn to. Say to. We go to the park. See to in action. Word number 5 is in. Where is in? The fish is in the bowl. You got it. Let's move to is. Say is. The sky is blue. Good job. Next we have it. Say it. It is a sunny day. Wonderful. Our 8th word is you. Say you. You are a super reader. Yes, yes, you. Now for that, say that. That is a tall tree. Excellent. Word number 10 is off. Say off. A cup of tea. You're doing great. Let's play a game. I'll say a word and you point to it. Ready? Point to the. Good. Now point to is. Fantastic. How about you? You're a sight word superstar. Let's try another game. Sight word bingo. We'll call out words and you mark them on your card. The first to get 3 in a row wins. Remember, practicing sight words makes reading so much easier. Keep practicing every day and you'll be amazing readers. Great job learning your 10 sight words today. See you next time for more reading fun.